out of the car.
Get away from the house!
Hey, get out of the car! Get out of the car!
You are to sit up in my seat.
You are.
On February 29, 2024, officers patrolling Edgewater, Florida, spot a car sporting an obviously sketchy license plate covered with words like American State, National, and Private Property. Yeah, not exactly official. Sensing trouble, they pull the driver over. And what unfolds next is a bizarre mix of courtroom fantasies, confusion, and pure chaos.
Can you roll this back window down for me? Hello. Hi, can you roll this window down for me? Hi, my name is Officer Fager with the Edgewater Police. The reason I stopped you, he's not in his seatbelt, and your tag is obscured. The top of it, you can't see what it is, and it doesn't come back to anything.
My camera is blocking the top.
Yeah, do you have your driver's license with you?
9-11 Central.
Do you have an actual driver's license?
No, that is my ID. I'm an American State National.
Okay, that's not a thing.
Yeah.
Do you have a registration and valid proof of insurance?
I'm not engaging in the commercial use of the highways or byways, nor am I operating in a for-hire capacity. I'm a foreign national exempt from foreign law under Amendment 11 of both the Constitution and the Constitution of the United States, and I claim all my exemptions.
Okay, so do you have any other documentation from the United States government saying that you're exempt from these, or that you're
I don't have my paperwork in the car with me, but I do have it.
Okay.
And that's my form of ID, and those are my private plates on the car.
Okay, this is a passport. Okay, so I'm aware of your group that you're with. This doesn't grant you any rights to drive.
Please run my passport.
I will. Do you have a driver's license in any state in the United States?
No.
No. Okay. Do you have any other documentation? Nothing from the United States government saying you have diplomatic immunity?
My paperwork is at my house.
Okay. Are you aware that in the United States, when you're a diplomat inside the United, are you claiming to be a diplomat? Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm a foreign state national.
Right. So,
That's what I am.
So you're a foreign state national.
Yes, and
but
if you run my
you're claiming
passport,
diplomatic
you will
immunity,
see.
correct?
If you run my passport, you'll be able to see my documents there. It reflects.
So do you have
my
a
status.
driver's license in any state in the United States?
That is my form of ID, sir.
Do you have a driver's license? That's not my
form of
question.
ID.
Do you have a
No,
driver's license? You do not. Okay.
No, that is my form of ID.
Do you have a registration or a
That's
valid
my
proof of
ID.
insurance for the vehicle? It's a yes or no question.
No.
Okay. Any particular reason he wasn't seatbelted?
No, he
was hanging out the window.
window.
Yeah, but when we were behind him, he didn't have his seatbelt
pulled
on.
away from the school. And
Okay,
I
where
told
did you
him to
obtain that
seatbelt.
tag?
From foreign state national guy in Alabama who makes the plates.
Okay. So you're aware that in the United States and in the state of Florida, you're required to have specific tags that actually go to the vehicle. And
From the jump, it's obvious this isn't your run-of-the-mill traffic stop. The driver flat out refuses to hand over a valid state license, insisting she's an American state national who doesn't have to follow U.S. law. It's like watching someone try to outsmart reality, playing 4D chess while everyone else is still figuring out checkers.
is registered. Are you aware of that?
My private automobile.
Okay.
Those are my
You've been filled with
private
some
plates.
false information. So in the state of Florida, you're
Well, I'm
required
not
to have a
sure
driver's
that-
license.
I'm not sure many people are aware.
We
of
are.
the
I have
actual-
read a lot about the foreign state
Well,
nationals.
I don't know. I feel like they give people a bad rap because I've been in situations before where I try to explain to them. And they keep calling me sovereign citizen and like.
Well, that's what it
Even
is.
if you look
That's
it
what
up,
it is.
no, it's not.
It
Actually,
is.
It's not. And when you look it up on the internet,
have.
it'll tell you right, but it'll explain it as a
Essentially,
sovereign citizen.
essentially, it's a
when
sovereign.
they're
It is a
different.
sovereign citizen entity. Do you have keys to the vehicle? Can you hand me the keys?
No, I cannot.
Okay, step out of the car for me. Get out of the car. Unlock it. Can you unlock it?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Step out of the car.
Close my door!
Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
Get away from me!
Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Stop.
Get away from me! Stop!
You're gonna get taken. Get out of the car now. Get out of the car. You just kicked me. Get out of the car now. Get out of the car. Get out of the Get your hands behind your back. I know she's your mom. I know she's your mom. I know it's behind your back. I know she's your mom. Your mom's fine, okay? Go back in the car. Go back in the car. It's okay. We're gonna come take her to the grass and you guys can talk to her, okay? Step away from her.
It's already bad enough with fucking arrested. I don't need her arrested too. She's the only person I have. Please.
Step back over here.
Please, I'm sorry.
Go back to the car, please. Your mom's gonna be okay. Your mom's gonna be okay.
No, just don't.
We're not gonna hurt her. Your mom's gonna be okay.
She's the only person I have. Nothing wrong, please.
Okay.
These are my children.
Okay.
Please.
Go back in the car. Come here.
I did
Get these kids away from me.
They forced me out of my car. They dragged me on the floor like an animal.
She refuses to hand over the keys and absolutely will not step out. Bars the doors like she's defending the Alamo with a Honda. So officers pry her out, and she delivers an Oscar-worthy pavement slide for the ages. Kids melt down, screaming, "Mom's all we have," while she leans into martyr mode. Pro tip, traumatizing your kids for clout is not a flex. And then things escalate with a swift kick to the shin.
I did nothing at all. I just
Stand
picked
up.
my children up from
Stand
school.
up. That's your phone. Walk over to that car.
I can't believe you're doing this.
Grab that one too. Grab that one too.
I did nothing wrong.
Stop.
Please. No!
Step over here. Unlock your car. Hey! Take a seat in the vehicle. You have any weapons on you? Take a seat.
I tried to talk to you. Why would you drag me out of my car like that? You had no right.
Motor oil inside your
You
sorry
had no
channel.
right. I'm not a U.S. citizen. Okay, I understand you're doing your job and all that, but I did nothing wrong. And now you're forcefully pushing me into
Get
the
in the car. You're under arrest.
Why?
Because you kicked me. Battery on a law enforcement officer. You did. It's on camera.
did
You
not
did
kick
kick me.
you.
You did kick me.
No, I didn't.
Yes.
You were pushing me, pulling me out of my car.
Stand right here. Yep. You want to play games like this?
I'm not playing any games.
Because then we don't know if you have a weapon. We don't know what's going through your mind. Being a police officer is an inherently dangerous job. So when you're told to do something and you tell them no, we're going to then make you do it. That's just the way it works. This whole sovereign...
But it's still not right. They really
You
forced
committed a
me
crime.
to the crime. I did not hurt anyone. I was not committing a crime.
You committed
They
a...
dragged me out
You
of
committed
my
a misdemeanor
car
in the state
by
of Florida.
My legs. Like
listen.
I'm a fucking animal.
Well, you kicked him.
Sir, I did not kick him. He's dragging my legs, and I'm trying to pull my
You
legs
are-
back to sit up in my seat.
You were
so
driving-
if he got kicked, it was not intentional.
You were driving a motor vehicle that is unregistered in the state of Florida, which is a misdemeanor crime, punishable by jail and fines, so you can go to jail for it.
And you are going to jail for it. You don't have a driver's license in the state of Florida. That's a misdemeanor. You're going to jail for that.
She said she used to have, so she
She's
paid $30.
suspended.
Well, no, I know. She paid $30 to this sovereign citizen group to get that tag because she's one of the foreign national things, and They told her you don't need a license anymore, you don't have to register, you don't have to do all this stuff.
Ask if it's okay if Maya, their next door neighbor, picks up.
Is it okay if Maya, your next door neighbor? Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, are you Maya?
Yes, I am.
Gotcha.
6 Alpha 15.
You realize all your cars, do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Can we see it?
Battery on a Leo, boom, felony unlocked. She swears it was an accident, but the flailing looked more like a glitchy Roomba on hard mode. Add an unregistered car, fake plates, and no insurance. Congrats, that's misdemeanor bingo. Officers practically have to spell it out for her in crayon, but she keeps chanting the same sovereign script. Then neighbor Maya shows up to grab the kids and somehow ends up part of the tow truck parade. Guess birds of a tinfoil feather really do flock together.
So we can make sure. You realize in the state of Florida, your vehicle has to be registered, right?
It is registered.
It
It's
is-
registered with DOT. I can show you my registration.
Juliet, Tango, Delta, Echo, Alpha, Mike, Delta, Echo, 6, Mike, Juliet, 0, 5, 9.
6 Motor 12.
You can
Good
check
for 12.
on the system.
Got the
Registered
blue
as
Toyota
private.
negative
We don't have that
valid
system.
out of Edgewater.
Well, you do have the system.
Do you have
of
insurance on the car?
transportation.
Do you have insurance on the car? Can we see proof of insurance?
Quebec, Kilo, Alpha.
Where did you get the Where did you come across this American
It
National?
was a website.
Yeah.
Like, just looking. I like to research a lot of things.
Okay.
Websites.
Yeah. How long have you been doing this? I mean, are you like, is it, do you watch their because they do seminars, do you watch their seminars?
Yeah, they have things where they educate people and
Yeah.
stuff like that.
Do you watch those seminars?
No, it's like this.
Okay, one thing I want you to be afraid or be aware of in the future, right? Because most law enforcement officers care about people, right? We want you to be safe, and that's why we're out here. We want you to obey the law so that you're safe, okay? So the other thing is I want you, what you need to be afraid of in today's society is false information, right?
Make sure that information gets forwarded to Crescenzi as far as their addresses and everything. So we can just keep that out there.
Those areas of law are applied to these situations. Have you done that research yourself? No. Right, but you took the word of somebody else thinking that it was 100% true. And that's where you believed that what they told you was doctrine, right? Or that was 100% right, when in fact it isn't. And I feel bad for you because you were victimized by them. Okay, and that's who you should be mad at in this situation. Is the people who wholeheartedly told you you're going to be fine, you're allowed to do this. Because it's been documented time after time after time that somebody tries to do this, and it's proven that it's false. It's not true. Okay? But ultimately, at the end of the day, you can't put your hands on a police officer. Not in the United States, not in the state of Florida, not in the city of Edgewater. Okay? There's repercussions to that. All right?
Did you get her on the
No.
sovereign thing, or she?
Oh, her? Did she get you onto it? Because she has a tag too.
No, she's funny.
She's your neighbor.
Who got it first?
You or her?
She did.
Did she turn you on to it? Say you could look into this?
No, but that's her own business. But I wanted to.
Oh, she has a business doing it.
No,
that's
I
her
said,
own.
Like her,
Personal business.
Yeah.
I got you.
Maya admits she spent $30 on the same internet fairy dust, thinking it made her sovereign. The cops hit her with the truth. She got scammed, plain and simple. She takes it in stride, gathers the crying kids, and walks off. Meanwhile, the self-proclaimed Queen of Chaos keeps denying she ever laid a hand on anyone, even as the body cam footage screams otherwise.
So she's gonna walk home with your kids. She's not driving her car either. Her car's getting towed just like yours. You guys have to have registered vehicles in the state of Florida. They have to be registered. That's the bottom line.
But here's the other thing you have to understand, right? Her vehicle's being towed, but she's walking home with your kids because of how she reacted. Okay? She didn't kick me. She didn't put her hands on a police officer, screaming me at it.
I don't know what's gonna happen here. Hold on 1 second.
Call me back and let me know. Oh, okay.
No, hey,
Hold on.
I'm right here. It's Sergeant Benz. You're going to be able to take her kids.
Yes.
You're going to receive a citation for unregistered motor vehicle. Your vehicle is going to get towed by Edgewater Towing, and you'll be able to walk home with the kids.
Did you hear that? They want to tow my car.
They can't tow it. It's not.
And
it's
he
not
can
a motor
hear
vehicle.
you're on the speaker if you want to say something.
It's a vehicle that has 4 wheels, and it's powered by a motor. It is a motor vehicle, sir.
Except it's registered
Private
as
automobile.
automobile.
No,
It's
sir.
not a vehicle.
It's going to get towed. She's going to get a ticket, and she'll be on her way.
Okay, but it shouldn't be towed. But I mean, we're not causing a problem, but it should not be towed.
Well, it's not registered. The Florida registration on it was canceled, so therefore it's no longer registered.
Right, and she doesn't actually need a registration. It is a private property. It's private automobile. It's a part
And
of a
it's in
trust.
trust.
It is in a
Yes,
trust.
so you keep that in
so
mind.
if you do, I mean,
It's gonna cost you
listen,
guys
so
a
there
lot.
wasn't any problems, but if you do tow it, there are going to be issues. It's in a trust. It's private property. It is not to be towed. If you run her passport, it'll show you that you're not supposed to even question or detain her for any reason.
So we're not questioning or detaining her. She actually showed up at the traffic stop at the request of the other female to pick up her kids. It was discovered when she got her here that her vehicle was unregistered.
It doesn't have to be registered. We have proof from the Department of Motor Vehicles, from Department of Transportation. It doesn't have to be registered.
They say the Department of Transportation is not real. I don't know what that means.
But again, it does not have to be registered, so please reconsider towing it because that's in violation.
I got you.
of Amendment 11.
Okay, I've reconsidered it, and it's still going to get towed, okay?
Okay, you got his name and everything. You have a business card you can give her?
Her husband calls in shouting, "It's in a trust," like that's some kind of legal force field. Sergeant Ben doesn't miss a beat and drops the mic. 4 wheels motor, public road, tow city. Both cars get hooked just as the rain starts pouring, kids are shivering, and that homemade tag proves to be less a shield and more a flashing "Arrest me" sign. Confidence that loud honestly deserves its own zip code.
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. And Maya, just make sure you take out of the car whatever you need. I'm on my way, so.
Excellent.
Yeah, sorry, Maya.
Yeah, bye. May I have that business card, please?
Yep, I'll get it to you as soon as we're done with the traffic stop.
Good what?
The traffic stop. Like with her and it. If you want to get your stuff out of the car, go get the kids, I'll go grab your business card.
Okay, are you towing her car as well?
Yes, her car's
Oh,
getting
so I
towed. Yeah,
have to take
she's going to
everything.
jail. She's going to jail, yeah. She kicked the police officers. She kicked him.
Hi.
Hi. You taking the
It
kids?
would really help if you let me take my car.
It's not registered, ma'am.
It is registered.
It's not.
I don't know how to
Where's it
convince
registered?
with the DOT, US DOT, with the transportation, your company, all your.
No, City of Edgewater. We don't work for DOT, ma'am.
I know you don't work, but
So,
I can
well, you said my
register
company.
car.
It's not my company.
But it is registered as a private property and it's put in trust, so it should technically be treated differently than cars that are on roads that are in commerce, correct?
No.
Yes.
No.
What do you
So
mean in commerce?
What law are you basing
And I'm
this off
just-
of?
Constitution.
Okay.
I have
The
the
U.S.
right.
Constitution talks about
And
commerce
Supreme-
vehicles.
And on Supreme Court, actually, if you have time and you want
Nope,
to
I'm not going to read any of your paperwork. You can bring that to your court date if you want. But your vehicle is going to be towed today.
Right? But I do have a right to be without a driver license and without the registration.
That's not true.
of my
Not in the
car.
state of Florida, not in the United
So
States.
I would appreciate if you give me your business card.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My
I
name
do.
and everything's like that at the bottom of your ticket. The easiest thing for you to do is when you go to town.
Officer Fager, that's the other motor officer. You can have that. And then that's my business card, Sergeant Benz, okay?
I appreciate it.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have keys?
Now, can you please help me and explain what's gonna happen to this car?
Yeah, so she's going to go to jail. I don't know what all her charges are right at this very second, but she's going to go to jail. She'll be given a bond, and she can be bonded out if you guys so choose to bond her out. Otherwise, first appearance will be at 1:30 in the afternoon tomorrow.
Okay.
He's special needs.
I got
He
you.
is special needs.
Yep.
I'm
So if you
sorry.
do you want to grab your stuff, and then you can go over there and grab
Yes.
them, okay?
Let me see where anything here.
Did you have the keys to the vehicle?
I do have keys.
Okay, because if you don't give us the
I
keys,
know
unfortunately,
you want the key. I'll give it to you. Just let me
Perfect.
finish. Am I allowed to talk to her? I just want to say I'm
Josh,
gonna take
are you okay if she talks to her about the kids real quick?
Hey.
did you request it?
Thank
He's present with her lunch. She doesn't.
Officers took care of the logistics, but her so-called etiology collapsed the moment it met reality. A brutal way to scar your kids, all for ego and internet nonsense. These loophole warriors always seem to be dodging something bigger. Hand over the keys, comply, move on, it's that simple. Instead, she went full-on resistance theater.
Relax, he's gonna take care of whatever needs to be done. Yeah? Okay, is there anything I should know about the keys? Keys? My keys or who has the keys?
The house keys?
Yeah, my house keys on.
Can we get the house keys off the Honda key ring?
It's the gold key. Anything for the kids I need to know? Just keep them? Yeah. Do you know where my car will be towed to?
Edgewater Towing. Do you have the business card? I can write it on the back for you.
Please.
Yes, ma'am. I can write it on a notebook piece of paper too if you need.
Easy slow.
Where are the keys at?
My house keys, the gold.
No, the car keys. Because it's on the house key. I mean, it's on the car key, right? The house key. You know where that is?
Well, they should be in the car.
They're not.
A kid probably hide it.
Yeah, can you go ahead? Can we get the kids out so we can take them so I can look in there? I don't want to look with them in there because they're all over the place.
Is Edgewater Towing 2033?
Well, my keys are going with me, aren't they?
No, the car.
but I-
So the car keys are going to stay with the car.
But the house.
Hold on. We're just taking the car key off. That's going to stay with the car. The other keys can go with you or with her, whichever you prefer.
So I want to take the house key so I can get the kids in the house. Okay? Because we're gonna walk. Is your wallet there? You want me to take
My purse is there.
Your purse is
My
there?
purse is on the
Here you go. Edgewater Towing. Their address 2033 South Ridgewood Ave, Edgewater, Florida. Okay.
And both cars will be there.
Both cars will be there.
Okay,
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And you said your purse is where?
on the hood of it.
Is it okay to take that purse?
Josh, the back. Josh, can the friend take the purse?
Are the keys in it?
Are the keys in the purse
No.
Nope, these are in my pocket. Oh, you have.
for the Honda?
Negative, Alice, that's two.
It's up to her if she wants it.
Do you want your neighbor to take your purse?
Yes.
Okay, and you want the neighbor to take the keys
Is this the key for the house?
and the purse?
Thank you.
Do you have the car key?
Yes, he took it off already. Do you have any questions or anything else you need to say? Because we're going to get her and the kids out of here before it starts raining. Okay?
That's all I can say. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Are we free to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Final handoffs go down. Purses, keys, and kids passed over to Maya. No driving that fake-tagged car either. Mom's headed to jail, bond, or court waiting in the morning. Through all the chaos, the officers stay calm, almost saint-like. Shame it had to end like this. Her confidence was sky high, but her ignorance hit harder. The fallout? A family caught in the wreckage. Those kids deserved better than a front row seat to sovereign stupidity. She was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting with violence, failure to register a vehicle, unlawful use of a badge, and counterfeiting a license plate. If you made it this far, hit that like button and drop your thoughts below.
best comment gets pinned. And yeah, share this one so no one else falls for that same delusional playbook.